Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This kit is used in the Audi and Volkswagen 6-speed automatic transmission, specifically for the Eischen transmission, or also known by many as the 09G type transmission. This particular kit includes 6 liters of the Revenol T4 transmission fluid, the transmission filter, a transmission pan gasket, some related hardware, a fluid filling adapter toolkit, and some installation instructions. The Revenol T4 transmission fluid is made in Germany and is specifically designed and engineered for the Eischen 6-speed transmissions, which is who made the transmission for this specific Audi and VW application. Revenol T4 meets the VW G 55025A2 specification or part number. This is the only ATF specification that should be used in your 09G type 6-speed transmission. If you don't specifically see the fluid specification indicated on the bottle, it's not the proper fluid for your transmission. For the gasket and the filter, these are OEM German components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the genuine components. Also, we have a fluid filling transfer adapter toolkit. This is a cost-effective and equivalent tool to the factory tool VAS 6262/2. This is a necessary tool for the transferring of the ATF into the transmission. As well, we have the drain plug sealing washer, which is an identical design to the original or genuine drain plug sealing washer. We also include detailed transmission fluid and filter changing instructions specific to the Audi and Volkswagen 09G type transmissions. These instructions include the proper transmission fluid filling and leveling procedures and sequence that is needed for the 09G type transmissions. So that's an overview on one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits for the Audi and Volkswagen 09G type 6-speed transmissions. If you have any questions on our transmission fluid and filter change kits, feel free to give us a call, or you can visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.